For many kids, summer fun means swimming, but without proper supervision, a day at the pool can end in tragedy. Drowning is the #1 cause of unintentional deaths in children ages 1 to 5. All pools should be surrounded by fencing at least 4 feet high, with a gate that closes on its own and a latch release that kids cannot reach. Pools and spas should be covered and locked when not in use. Remove ladders on above-ground pools. Install alarms on house doors, pool gates, and in the water to alert you if a child or pet falls in. Swimming lessons are encouraged for people of all ages, and no one should swim alone. Children need constant supervision when swimming. Don't assume someone else is watching, and always have an adult present who knows CPR. If thunder or lightning develops close enough to be seen or heard, get out of the pool immediately. For more summer safety tips, visit the Sedgwick County Fire District 1 website.